So hello guys, this is the Rambo Part 5 Last Blood knife or the Heart Stopper. This is it guys. This is the knife. And the case is color brown. So let's open it and see what's inside. This is the blade. Very sharp, very shiny, and also very thick, made by stainless steel, full tang and have 4 pin over its handle. And the paracord, and the color of the handle is gray. A nice combination of colors. So very good knife guys, very beautiful, very impressive, very nice all the time. So that's it guys. Very cool. And the case is color brown and made by a leather. So very nice knife guys. Very good and very beautiful to carry wherever you go. So as you can see guys, the knife is very impressive. So this is the knife guys. Very cool, very wonderful, very awesome, very pretty awesome knife guys. So that's it guys, the knife. So thank you.